Voilà, voilà, it's impossible.
How much
Like
do you
it's
bet?
definitely Bronix. Um, Many problem with karma. I think he's has not too much experience in a battle. Um, so first he's good because he do a battle. That's a good point to participate, to do a lot of battle,
Yeah.
to has more experience stage. Are too fast to he want to do too many things, and
Hmm.
we understand that after 10 seconds what in the first one is too much
Too much to show,
how to
like he wants to show too much, maybe.
yeah, he wants too much to show. No, the tempo he's he's too much like this. Yeah, he need to control himself and to enjoy with crowd. Yeah, alone. I feel it's alone on stage, and Bronix is chill,
Yeah.
and he's the sensation is really is alone. So he need to attack the challenger and enjoy with the crowd. It's not
Yeah.
only about tricks. It's to take the crowd
Yeah. To share,
to share a good
share some
moment. Yeah,
emotions with
and not alone.
the
Yeah.
audience. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
The,
I wrote the
the,
yeah, I wrote
mhm.
quite the same thing. I wrote like his techniques patterns are really good. He has crazy drops,
Yeah.
but it lacks like some moments to breathe, like some
Yeah.
to put them like to put the drops more on the light. I would say we don't
Yeah.
have the time to appreciate the drop. He goes on another drop, so it's really
Yeah.
hard to follow. Um,
Yeah.
so what would you recommend for a beatboxer like that? Do more battles, you said? Do you have like other advices?
Yeah, and take time.
Yeah.
See the crowd, attack your challenger, enjoy the moment. Don't prove you don't need to prove like this to how a good beatboxer. You are a good beatboxer, so take your time and enjoy the moment.
Hmm.
Yeah. So it's more the problem. Or maybe you can work more on the structure. So to put less, yeah, less is more,
Less is
less.
more. Yeah.
Uh, how to say more?
Less is more, you would say. No?
Yeah.
No,
No,
so
I mean less ID. Not too much IDs
yeah.
and too much drop.
So less
So
is
less,
better, sorry.
yeah, less IDs and more IDs, and
For better enjoyment.
I think yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I understand.
And Bronix as the only one now for all battle, all beatboxer, the only one that he create his technique
Yeah, yeah. He's
because
like a master
it's
of the
the
sound design.
yeah, really, it's the best for now. It's the best beatboxer I saw from the beginning because he has a good control
Hmm.
stage. Uh, he has really confidence on what he did. Of course, he created. Has good ideas drop. Um, the only problem he have, and he know about it, it's the say the briefing, the le souffle in French,
Yeah, the breeze.
the the risk,
The breath,
the
sorry.
brief, yeah, the brief, and all the time he's really tired, and he need to work on that to do something without this sensation of
Hmm.
we feel that every time with Bronix on stage. So you need to work on that more to have the perfect round. Sometimes with drop we feel that he's
Yeah.
tired, or sometimes we feel it's complicated, and we don't like to hear something when we heard it's complicated for the beatboxer. We love heard something easy from the beatboxer, like wow, it sounds easy, like
Ah,
oh
yeah.
la la, and not like hard.
And
So
how?
that's the recommendation to Bronix, but I know it. I call
Okay.
Bronix every day, so
I know. But
I
how
will
would
I will
you
call him after this live
this session?
and say, yeah, I saw your battle.
But how would you recommend like a beatboxer to work on his breath if he cannot do like a regular scenes like
Well, I think some exercise every day about
breath
this.
exercise? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, brief it. Yeah, with sound, with
Breathing
power of
exercises.
kick,
Yeah.
some basics. or he kick, or he makes sport.
Yeah.
But he makes sport, so that's a good way. Make sport in your life. You can run. Run is good to
Yeah.
control yourself. And after you can try with your drop, and the drop is hard for you. Try to do 20 minutes. Try to do 30 minutes, the hardest drop you have. That you feel tired with that. For example, I don't know if I have the. I don't do it every time, but I have the. And that's really hard to do it. But I keep trying to do 5 and 10 minutes. You know, in the round it's gonna be 10 seconds. But if 10 seconds is too hard, let's try to do 10 minutes of to understand what the body. Don't push it, because on stage we all push it, the drop.
Yeah.
But at home you can chill and try it in the different ways, and you can find something more for your body, more.
Yeah, you're more prepared. Like when you go on stage, you won't force on what you do.
Yeah, you understand how to do it.
Okay. And for example, at this battle, as it was an outside battle, outdoor, they had a lot of beatboxers didn't hear them so well, so they had to push like the sounds. So if you were in this situation, like a stage where you doesn't hear yourself so well, what would you recommend to do? Like, would you go hard, or would you go the same level?
No.
Same level?
No, you focus. You focus on your round.
Yeah.
And you just trust off your round, and
you stay on the same level, right? Same power.
You just and you focus on you focus on your round. It happens many times with me too, when I have no sound in the monitors, or not comfortable.
Yeah.
And I just focus my goal on.
Okay.
And I know it's not not cool, it's not funny on stage. It's gonna be a hard moment, but you just keep it and focus on what you prepare, and do it. Not to push, or no, just focus on what you prepared, and do it.
All right. Good advice.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Do you have something else to add for Karma and Bronix? All right. So that was the analysis of Karma and Bronix with Alem. So let us know in the comments if you agree or not. And if not, tell us why. Do you want to make serious progress in beatbox? Click on the link in the description below and join our beatbox school to level up faster than ever.